Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the Qimedo 1200 RPM battery electric spin scrubber, a highly powerful cordless cleaning brush designed to make your cleaning tasks easier and more efficient. This scrubber features 3 modes with speeds up to 1200 RPM, powered by a robust 20 volts battery, ensuring superior cleaning performance with excellent heat dissipation and reduced noise. Its smart display conveniently shows the remaining battery percentage and power modes, alerting you when it's time to recharge, while also monitoring battery health for enhanced protection. With an IPX7 waterproof design, the scrubber's 8-in-1 brush head can be fully submerged for thorough cleaning, and it comes with 8 different brushes to meet all your cleaning needs. The adjustable 50-inch handle and 45-degree brush head angle allow for comfortable cleaning of walls and floors without bending or stretching. Equipped with a removable 21 volts battery, this scrubber charges in just 100 minutes and provides up to 120 minutes of continuous use, perfect for deep cleaning your floors or bathroom. For those who need extended cleaning time, a dual battery option is available, allowing one battery to charge while the other powers the scrubber. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.